Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech, and in this video I'll be unboxing and doing a quick hands-on review of the new Redmi Pad Pro. Yeah, that's it. It's a Redmi Pad Pro 5G version. This tablet is available in 3 variants. Base variant starts at 22,000 rupees and it comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. Now this is the only Wi-Fi version and you can't insert SIM card in it. Next variant is priced at 25,000 rupees and it comes with 8GB RAM and the same 128GB storage. But it supports SIM card. You can insert dual SIMs, use it like a phone, you can access mobile data, you can do everything. Next variant is priced at 27,000 rupees. It also comes with the same 8GB of RAM but with 256GB of storage. Now this is a bigger variant. You also have bank offers. You can get 2,000 rupees instant discount, so you can just decrease the price of all the variants by 2,000. As for colors, the only Wi-Fi version is available in 2 colors, grey and blue, and the 5G version is available once again in 2 colors, graphite grey and quicksilver. This is the 256GB variant and it's in the grey color. Now without any further delays, let's quickly unbox it. So here's the box. On the front it says Redmi Pad Pro 5G XL display. Well, this tablet actually comes with a 12.1-inch display. That's why Redmi calls it XL display. So anyway, it's pretty big. It comes with Xiaomi's HyperOS, which is new, and it has Dolby Vision Atmos. On the backside, there are some highlights which are pretty interesting. Anyway, now let's unbox it. First, we have the Redmi Pad Pro. Next, we have the quick start guide, followed by a USB Type-C charging cable, a SIM card ejector tool. Yes, this is the 5G tablet, so we do get a SIM card ejector tool. Finally, we have the 33-watt charger. Now let's come back to the tablet. Let me just remove this cover and the sticker. Now this is how it looks on the back and this is how it looks on the front. Now let's have a physical overview. On the backside, this tablet comes with a dual tone finish. Well, one side is definitely metal and the other side is probably plastic. At the top, we have the camera module. It looks like 2 cameras, but it has just a single 8MP camera that's followed by the flash. At the bottom, we got the Redmi branding. On the front, we have a huge display with symmetrical bezels. I know bezels look pretty big, but it's not a phone. You don't have to have sleek bezels. It's okay. And if it doesn't have bezels, it's a bit inconvenient. Like normally when you hold the tablet, you have to have some space. Anyway, above the display, we get a front-facing 8MP camera. Now when I'm holding this tablet in this orientation with the cameras at the top, let's check out the sides as well. Left side is completely plain. On the right side we have volume buttons, 2 holes for mics and a SIM card tray. Now this is how the SIM card tray looks. It has a SIM card slot along with a hybrid SD card slot. So you can either use 2 nano SIMs or a SIM and an SD card. By the way, you can use up to 1.5 TB of SD card, which is pretty good. Now at the top we have 2 speakers. It says Dolby Vision Atmos and a power button. Finally at the bottom, we get another 2 speakers, 3.5mm headphone jack and a USB Type-C charging port. Is it just me or does anyone else feel that these ports are not symmetrical? Like they're not at the center, they're slightly to the bottom. If you think the same, do comment below this video. Now these are the complete specifications of this tablet. Now let me just turn it on. This is how the new HyperOS UI looks. In fact, it looks pretty similar to MIUI, but there are some changes. Now here's a home screen, Google page on the left, here's the notification panel. Now this is a settings page. Let's check the about page. So this tablet is running Xiaomi HyperOS 1.0.3, which is based on Android 14. And right now it has an August security patch. By the way, this tablet will get 2 years of OS updates and 3 years of security updates. Now let's check the storage. Out of 256GB of space, we get 226GB of space for our user apps and user data. Now this is how the camera interface looks like. Regular stuff, this is a front camera. It is a pretty similar interface. Now this is a sample footage recorded using the front-facing camera of Redmi Pad Pro, at least the original quality, but you can see how wide it is and the basic quality of the camera. If you make a video call, the other guy might not be able to see the same level of quality, but if he has a good internet connection, then this is the maximum quality that you can expect in indoor lighting conditions. Now on this tablet, we get a new application called Mi Canvas app, but it's only pretty useful if you have a pen or their own Mi Smart Pen. Now here's the review part. This is a pretty good tablet. It has pretty good performance, pretty good display, quad speakers sound really good, but the bad thing is the pricing. Like this is definitely a pretty good tablet. Everything is pretty smooth. Like the software experience is really smooth, at least better than, the tablets that cost you like 12 or 13,000 rupees. Compared to those tablets, this tablet is way better. For normal usage, everything is pretty smooth. But for gaming, not so much. Especially if you like to play games like Genshin Impact, Zenless Zone Zero or BGMI, I will definitely not recommend you this tablet. While you can play BGMI in smooth graphic settings, it is definitely playable, but for games like Genshin Impact and Zenless Zero, it's a definite no. Like, the overall gaming experience is being ruined on this tablet. So my personal suggestion is, if you're really looking for a tablet with a SIM card option for mobile data, then you don't have a lot of option, then you can definitely consider this tablet. But if you don't need mobile data, or you can manage with a hotspot from your phone, then I'll definitely not recommend this tablet. Like, it's okay, but the pricing is bad, and you have a way better option. That's the Xiaomi Pad 6. Base variant of this tablet, that's the 6 plus 128GB variant, costs you like 20,000 rupees. And the Xiaomi Pad 6, the same base variant with 6 plus 128GB variant, costs you 22,000 rupees. So if you're looking for a tablet with good display, good speakers, you do a bit of gaming, and you want to use the tablet smoothly for 3 to 4 years, then you should definitely skip this tablet and buy the Xiaomi Pad 6. And by the way, you also have another alternative, that's the OnePlus Pad Go. Definitely don't buy that. It has a MediaTek Helio G99 processor, which is way slow when compared to even this Redmi Pad Pro. So overall, it's definitely a pretty good tablet, but it's not really worth the price. If you can get it for around 15,000 rupees and you can't really increase your budget, then you can definitely go with this. Once again, for browsing, watching videos, watching movies on Amazon Prime or Netflix, it's pretty good, but for some heavy gaming, definitely no. So guys, what do you think about this tablet? Do let me know by commenting below this video. And if you do like this video, hit the dislike button and do subscribe to our channel. I know